Hi guys, so we are here at the supermarket, Fred Meyer's, and I'm gonna take you guys with me to go shopping for groceries, for stuff that I eat every day for breakfast and for dinner. So yeah, we have this basket that we put our groceries on, because here in Portland, you're required by law to bring your own bags. I think it's good for the environment. That there's no waste, there's no plastic. Yeah, so just do it. If everybody does a little bit to save the world, we will be on a better place. Okay guys, so I'm gonna shut down the phone for now, and I'll see you when I go inside. Okay. So we are on the produce department at Fred Meyer's, and the first item that I see that we need to get, this is for my smoothies. So I'm gonna get some bananas. This looks good. So this is what I usually get. It's the best, unsweetened. So I'll get that. Then Matthew likes to eat, and I do too, from all these protein bars. The ones that is the best for anyone is this one, this kind. This is the best. You should get this one for snacking and stuff like that. Morning. Again, because I don't drink milk, I use this, the best. Let me see how much sugar is in here. 7 grams of sugar, so it's not bad. Hi guys, so we're here at Fred Meyer's, and I just want to show you the stuff that I use for breakfast. So every morning, thing is oatmeal, frozen berries, peanut butter, honey, cinnamon, yogurt alternative, like soy yogurt. This is what I use for my coffee. It's dairy free. This is a very good brand. You know, it comes on different flavors, vanilla and chocolate. A very good source of protein and good oils is to eat avocado salad. This is very good for you, good for the skin, good for the body. So I usually make a salad of just avocados, onion, and tomatoes, and just put lime juice. So lime juice and olive oil, that's what you need. Salt and pepper, and you're all set. One thing that we also stock up is on apples and pears. So we just buy bags like this. You know, it's very economical. Yeah. So I just got some bananas. I'm gonna get some potatoes and some Brussels sprouts for dinner. So I'm just gonna get some of these petite purple potatoes, and I'm gonna get a bag of Brussels sprouts, and I have some onions at home, so that's gonna be for our dinner tonight. Yes. Oh, some peppers too. I like to do some peppers. Roast some peppers. I mean, once you do a combination of vegetables, then you can just make a lot of it one day. I take the Brussels sprouts. I cook the whole bag, because why not? You know, just use the oven, cook a bunch of vegetables there, and they don't go bad. Just put salt and pepper and olive oil, and just broil them, and it's great. And if you want to make a salad, just get some salad in the bag like this. They have a lot of different dressings. I love this one. Caesar, creamy Caesar, and if I'm making avocado salad, I like to make this one here. Cilantro avocado. It's very nice. I also like this one. Carol Goddess. And if I'm doing some kind of a Greek inspired dish, I love the upper brand, Peradil. This is very good. I had the vegetables for dinner. I have some pork chops that I need to get, so let's go over there and get them. So I'm gonna get this pack on sale for $10.59. Yeah, great deal, darling. So what we need to do is just separate them and just fridge whatever you're not gonna use. So we have the pork chops and the vegetables, and that's gonna be our dinner tonight. Okay, guys? And let's start cooking. Yes! So let me show you guys what I eat for snacks. If I'm hungry, I just wanna get something protein based, of course. So I just go to the nut section and love these pistachios. And these two, my favorite. And also mixed nuts with sea salt. Yes! Okay, so now you know what I eat throughout the day. The secret is not to stay hungry and just to do small snacks during the day, healthy snacks. And that's the secret to healthy living. So you can just pre-pack your food accordingly to what you want. Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna show you how I make my smoothies. Protein mix. The serving size is 2 scoops. So very powerful. So 2 scoops. This is chocolate flavor. So okay, so we have this. Let me just put it aside. That I eat for breakfast that is sweet. I always add cinnamon because cinnamon aids with the absorption of the sugars. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of peanut butter, small banana. Like I told you this morning on breakfast, I only eat bananas with my smoothie. I just cut it in pieces, and I'm just gonna add some frozen berries, frozen fruit, whatever you have in hand, milk, unsweetened. And then I usually add extra water. And then I just blend. Yeah, girl! And I have this big 40-ounce jug. Put everything there. Mmm, delicious. Yes, darling. Now let's get ready for dinner in a little while. So yesterday I did some roasted vegetables. I did roasted this is small potatoes, broccoli sprouts. I did also some red onions, and I roasted everything like for half an hour in very high heat, and it came out delicious. So I put some olive oil, salt and pepper, and that's it. This boneless pork chop. So it's a thick one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it in half for Matthew and half for me. You know, I'm gonna marinate this. Salt and pepper. And I just rub everything together. All the seasoning. I mean, you can put oregano, you can put paprika, you can put everything you want. Wrap it up, put everything. Yes, lucky. I fed the cats, but they are always hungry. Always, always, always. Yes. Beautiful. We have the salt and pepper shaker there. And what else we need? Oh, I'm gonna make a salad. Very plain salad. Just slice the lettuce like this. I think I'm gonna use the Greek dressing that I'll show you in the supermarket. This one from Ola, delicious. But I'm not gonna put it until Matthew gets here because I don't want the lettuce to get too soggy. Pork chops that are boneless pork chops that are baking in the oven. We have the vegetables that I cooked yesterday: Brussels sprouts, onions. What else? And the purple potatoes. They're here. I'm gonna put them in the microwave. So the pets are fed. All I need to do is the drinks. I'm gonna make some Crystal Light. Oh, we have some in here already, so no worries. Okay guys, so dinner is ready. Look at how beautiful it looks. We have pork chops, one for Matthew, one for me. We have the roasted vegetables that I did yesterday, and we have a nice salad. And yes, so you see, darling, you can be healthy and fit and easy to make. Okay, darling. So I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and activate the bell so you can get notifications whenever I upload new content. Okay, darling. Till the next one.